Hello, I'm Rose,
And I'm Elijah.
and we're going to teach you how to use
Washing machine.
the washing machine and the dryer. Step 1.
Open the machine by big circle.
And it pops open. Woo, so crazy. And then you're going to get your laundry. We've already got some in here. Usually there's a bucket as well. It's filled with shoes. That's a whole thing. And you toss it in there.
And then step 2.
You close the machine.
Well, yes.
Whoa. And you just close it. It makes a little click. It'll be
Yes.
great. Next, there's
Get to the soap.
we get to the soap. Under here,
Yes, move
this
this
whole
out of the
washing
way.
machine. Oh, sorry. This whole washing machine. There's this.
Ignore the shoes.
Ignore the shoes. You slide it open, and we've got all sorts of soap products. Bleach, only use it on whites.
Don't drink it.
OxyClean, don't drink it. OxyClean, very good for if you've got tough stains.
Yeah,
you can,
get the tough things out, am I right?
yeah, you can add it to the washer straight up. There's a whole thing.
You just throw it, yeah.
Or you can do like soak something in it. We've got stain fighter booster packs. We've got vinegar for cleaning. All sorts of fun stuff. Clorox, but
Power gel.
power gel. There's things like this, and over here, it's also over here, over there. Those are your soaps.
Yes.
Very nice. So, there's instructions here, which you should follow.
Here we go.
You pull, and it pops open.
This is where you put your soap.
So in the future, don't put the pouch in here. Main wash, you see that? Liquid only. Only put the liquid to the max level, okay? Or the small level if you're doing a light load. Pre-wash, you put it in here. It does a little nice cleaning thing beforehand, good for stain fighters. Liquid bleach, that's where the bleach goes. Don't put it in any of the others. And fabric softener, we don't really use it there. But if you do, you put it in there. So you flip it up and you press
It's
it.
not a good place for that sign then, is it?
No. Wait, what? This worked before. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so you can click that to open it, and then you hold and push it down.
Yes.
It's a little annoying. You might move this. And then you turn on your washing machine. You can press that and put it on normal, because that's what the
Normal.
thing is. Very cool. We put it on heaviest soil, especially if it's the heaviest soil. If it's not quite as heavy, you can put it on lower.
And you change that by pressing.
Oh yes, pressing the button. You change all of the things by pressing the buttons.
Yes.
And there we go.
Heaviest.
Medium spin, spinning all the stuff out. Cold temp,
temp,
good.
They
If
don't
you're
have
using
one
a
good.
higher temperature, use eco, because it's better for the whole thing. And we got options over here for like eco-friendly, staying clean, auto temp, delay start, save as favorites, set all the fun things.
All the stuff.
But when you're ready, you press start. We're not pressing start right now because it's not full on stuff. But
And also
press
remember
start.
though, don't wash it when there's like 2 things. It's a waste of energy.
Yeah, that's a waste of
water.
energy. Wait till you have like
A lot of
a
stuff.
good chunk.
Yeah.
Try to go like half full. You can only fill this to like 3/4. So like, leave some space at the top. Oh hey, you can see my reflection. Say hello to the camera, Elijah. Yes. And now it's so exciting. We're doing the dryer. So once your clothes are washed, you're gonna open the thing
With the opener.
with the opener. Yes. So
Yes.
exciting.
So you get the light.
Yeah, it's a nice little light. Oh yeah, if it smells in there, there's a clean option.
Which it probably will very often be
Yeah,
weird smelling.
but so, click it open, and this is in the way. But you just want to have, enough space to actually properly get the thing in.
Yeah.
Make sure you clean the lint trap.
Yeah.
You don't want all the fuzzies, because that can cause a fire.
Yeah.
Fire is bad. Okay, you may think it's gross. It's only a little gross. It's just like the stuff that comes off your clothes.
Yeah.
So it's already getting
You wear your
gotten
clothes,
washed.
so if it comes off, like that's how it works.
And then you see, put it in the trash. So you put stuff in there. Wow. Then we close it.
Yes.
Actually, I'm a liar. We can go
Oh,
down
dryer
over here.
sheets. Dryer sheets.
Yes, dryer sheets. Very handy. They make things less staticky,
Yes.
which is good. we've also got these little wool dryer balls, which also work. But so to turn it on, you can do the start pause, or you can just flip the knob. That's
Yes.
cool. You're gonna put it on little mixed load. There we go. This time with medium temperature, or let's see. Yeah, medium, nice and warm. And we're gonna have it more dry because we like it dry here, with extend and tumble for about 10 minutes. Yeah, that's about it. Then you press start and it will go. It's very exciting. Yes, so that was washer and dryer. Now go wash clothes. Don't just leave them there.
Yeah.
And you better clean up your messes, okay? Okay. See you
Respect
later.
the costume shop.
Respect everything.
But especially
Everything in
the
the
costume shop.
pack. Especially the costume shop.
Yes.
Bye bye.